This is Movement Explained. In this video we'll dive into what Movement is, how it works, and why it could be a game changer for the blockchain space. We'll also compare it to other leading projects and give you a peek at what's next for Movement. So what is Movement? Movement is on a mission to create the fastest and most secure layer 2 network on Ethereum. If you're new to layer 2s, think of them as an upgrade to existing blockchain networks like Ethereum. They handle transactions off the main chain, making Ethereum run faster and cheaper. Parallelized Move EVM. This is a big one. Most blockchain networks, including Ethereum, process transactions in a linear, one-at-a-time fashion. Movement introduces parallel transaction processing, which means multiple transactions can be handled simultaneously. This dramatically boosts efficiency and throughput, allowing the network to process more transactions without slowing down. One of the biggest pain points of Ethereum users has been high gas fees. If you've ever tried to move funds or interact with a dApp during peak times, you know how expensive it can get. Movement promises gas fees of less than $0.01 per transaction. This makes it incredibly cost-effective, opening the door for mass adoption, especially for microtransactions, gaming, and DeFi. Let's talk speed. Movement is aiming for a staggering 160,000 transactions per second. To put this in perspective, Ethereum currently processes about 30 transactions per second. Top layer 2 solutions like Polygon only manages around 7,000 transactions. If Movement can deliver on this promise, it will place them leagues ahead of most other networks in terms of scalability and performance. Instant transactional finality. Imagine being able to send a transaction and having it confirmed almost instantly. Movement achieves sub-second finality thanks to a decentralized sequencer. One of the challenges in blockchain is ensuring that all transaction data remains available and secure at all times. Movement has partnered with Celestia to tackle this problem. Celestia is known for its data availability layer, ensuring that transaction data is always accessible without sacrificing decentralization or security. So what exactly does Movement do? At its core, Movement is creating a whole ecosystem of Move-based blockchains. Their key products are the Movement Network and the M1 shared sequencer, both of which aim to deliver super fast transaction speeds and high security. But what makes this especially exciting is their use of the Move programming language, which was originally built by Facebook for their Libra project. Move makes it much easier for developers to build decentralized applications that are not only faster but also more secure and cheaper to run. So, how does Movement compare to some of the top projects in crypto? Let's break it down. Both Aptos and Sui are Move-based layer 1 blockchains like Movement. However, Movement is a layer 2 on Ethereum, meaning it builds on Ethereum's existing network. This gives Movement a huge advantage, allowing it to leverage Ethereum's large user base and liquidity, while still offering the speed and security of the Move language. Solana is known for being fast, handling around 65,000 transactions per second, but it has faced some issues with security and downtime. Movement, on the other hand, is shooting for 160,000 transactions per second, while maintaining stronger security thanks to the Move programming language. It's fast without sacrificing reliability. So who's behind Movement? The team behind Movement consists of blockchain veterans, many of whom were involved in Meta's DM project. Their expertise in the Move programming language, coupled with a deep understanding of blockchain infrastructure, makes this a seriously capable team. Movement has also attracted support from the Move Collective, a group of other investors, builders, and blockchain experts. They're also part of the ERC 3643 association, focused on tokenizing real-world assets, RWAs, like real estate and bonds, in a compliant way, which significantly broadens Movement's use cases. So what's next for Movement? Movement has an exciting roadmap ahead, which includes the launch of the Movement Network. This will be the first Move MEXC layer 2 on Ethereum. So for my final thoughts, Movement is a game changer in the layer 2 space, offering a blend of speed, security, and low cost that's hard to beat. So what do you think? Could Movement be the future of layer 2 solutions on Ethereum?